Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a beautiful sunny day in February. It's about 4 degrees this morning, which to be honest, in comparison to what it's been the last couple of months, it actually feels kind of warm, at least when the sun is out. And yes, I have got this beautiful Ducati Scrambler Icon for a couple of weeks, and a day like this I was never ever gonna let pass me by. So I'm out riding. I'm gonna meet my friend Ash. He's gonna be out on his Harley Street Glide. I'm going to go meet him at his house now, which is about an hour ride for me, and then the plan is to go up towards Kimbolton, which, if anyone knows it, is a really lovely road. And yes, the plan is just to have a nice easy day out on the bikes, so come along with us. While the boys made their excuses, I went in to quickly charge up my new GoPro Hero 13 Black, which, to be totally transparent, was a gifted product, but let's be realistic, we all know GoPro, and in my opinion, they are the best action camera out there. I actually still have my GoPro Hero 3, which has got to be about 12 years old now, and it still works perfectly fine, but the new GoPro 13 is truly awesome, and I've been enjoying trying out the new lenses for it, which you'll start to see in some of my future videos. So if you like your action cameras and are interested to know what camera I'm using, it is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Next, it was time to ride up the B660 to go grab some coffee. So we've stopped at Starbucks for a little quick coffee. We've ridden up the B660, lovely bit of road. It is quite nippy today though. And then my plan now is to keep riding. Got the rest of the afternoon. We stopped for coffee, Youth had to bounce, so yes, it's just me and Ash now. We're going to take a little bit more of a ride, and then he's got to then peel away, and then it'll just be me on my Tard for a little while. So I'm just going to put some miles on this Ducati and enjoy the sunshine while it lasts. Hi.
Right, see you Sunday.
See you Sunday. Excellent. Excellent. So he trusts you drunk?
Both drunk.
Both of you drunk, fixed his electrics?
Yep.
Not knowing what you're doing?
And I did a better job than any mechanic he's ever spoken to. Sausages for dinner. So he's pulled us up at some random butchers. I was thinking, where the hell are we? So guys, thanks for joining me on my ride today. Oh man, this last hour or so was super cold. My Kai's heated clothing, unfortunately the battery did run out, as I've not got it hooked up to the bike, as it's obviously not my bike. So just with the battery it doesn't last all day, unfortunately. So yes, that's been a very chilly last hour or so on the bike. And yeah, I've got about 30-40 minutes till I get home. But look at the evening I've got for it. Isn't it gorgeous? It is cold. I think it's about 5 degrees, so I am really chilly on the bike, but it's beautiful. So no complaints from me. Thank you for coming along, and if you've made it this far, well done, because I have been a rubbish content creator today, and I've spent a lot of time on the bike and not a lot of time filming.